Fusion. Today is my video about a software to connect every database to work on database like MS SQL, Oracle, Sybase, and many more. Like every database, whenever we are installing, like we need a UI for that database, uh, commanding, where whatever like run the SQL procedure. So for that, we install another software for that every database. Like for the Oracle, we are installing like SQL Developer and many more for the other database also. So for that, I recommended one of the software and how to install that software, how to use this software. So from that software, you can whatever your database, you need to install one UI, and whatever your database you need to connect, and whatever your query processing you want to do, you can run on that software. So before we start my video, please do not forget to subscribe my channel for the latest upcoming videos all about technology and help for who want to and work like software engineer. So before so we will start step by step. So what you need to do, like first you need to go to the Google Chrome and type the DBA. This is the software. From that software you can do anything. Like what you need to do, like Google Chrome. So I just you need to write the DBA same way, where you need click on the download option. Same way I'm mentioning my step by step, and click on download. After click the download, click on the choose the community edition, which is free for all. So as you see, there is a community option. After then you need to select your Windows browser. Windows like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, like Windows 64-bit and other like Windows, whichever you want. There, just click on that, and it will starting the downloading. After the download, what you need to do, after the download, you just double click on that exe file. As I have a Windows 10, so what you need to do, just double click on that exe file and start the installing. So first of all, what you need to do, please select the language. When you double click on that, then it's come the pop up like a choose your language. So I choose the English and press OK. After then, what you need to do, just click on next and click on I agree and next. Once you press the I agree, then one of the pop-up is come at your end, which is you need to do yes. Once you click on that yes, then it again asking you same thing like next, I agree. And what you need to do, like select DBA community, include Java, reset setting, associate .sql file, whatever you want to like, but I choose only two options. Okay, just click on next and install where you want to install the software. So I just choose the C program files DBA and click on next and start the installation. Once you see that like it's a finishing on that 100%, what you need to do, like finish on that. Just as same way I mentioning step by step, select the location where you want to install and finish. Like it's a continue on the installation. Wait for 1 and 2 minutes. Like it's extracting everything. It's taking only 2 to 3 minutes, max to max. Yeah, just click on that create desktop shortcut and finish. Once you finish the installation, you are able to see the DBA on your desktop as I already do. But what I do, just I double click on that same way, whichever software I install. like it's opening the community free universal database manager. There's a community means like open source software for everyone whoever want to use. It's not a paid. For the paid software, if you want to install, like then you can there have a enterprise edition also. For that, you if you want to use like for the enterprise edition, then you can also want to use. And enterprise edition have some more features like it support MongoDB, Cassandra, Influx, Redis, Amazon Dino, and other advanced extension for also like Oracle. So there are the little bit difference between enterprise edition and community edition. So let's wait for the open the community edition which we install. So once like we open that software, then it's come with like this way, this picture. So inside that you are able to see like once we click on that all, then like IBM DB2, DuckDB, MariaDB, MySQL, ODBC, Oracle, PostgreSQL, SQL Server, like whichever database we want to connect, then it's available for open. So just click like whichever database you want to connect. Like you have so many options right now inside this. So like I am opening showing you one of that like Oracle. Okay, just we click on that Oracle. Click on your host name, database name, service name. Provide the some details whichever you want to, and click on the finish. Once you finish that, then there's a your database is loaded on this side, and after then whatever you want to perform the action you are able to use for the like refreshing your database. These are the many functionality of that same software. If you want to use, then it is also okay for you. Okay friends, like as I told you, like this is a global or universal software for the every database. If you have any query related, you can comment on the video, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.